Imagine an intelligence that can not only see the world through images and videos, but can also understand the nuance, the context, and even the creative potential behind them. An AI that can write code, analyze data, and create new things with a level of reasoning that feels almost human. For years, we've watched as AI has evolved, from beating chess grandmasters to generating beautiful art. But now we're entering a new era, an era defined by Google Gemini DeepMind. This isn't just another chatbot, it's a fundamental leap forward in what artificial intelligence is capable of. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what Gemini DeepMind is, how it was created, and why it's poised to change everything from how we work to how we discover new things.
To understand Gemini, you first have to understand the two powerhouses that created it, Google DeepMind and Google Brain. Think of Google DeepMind as the big picture dreamers. They're the researchers who spent years pioneering an ambitious goal, creating what they call artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Their most famous achievement was AlphaGo, the AI that shocked the world by defeating the human champion of the complex game Go. Their expertise is in building AI that can learn like humans do, by figuring out problems on its own. Now, Google Brain was the practical side. They were the engineers who took cutting-edge research and built it into the products you use every day, like Google Search and Gmail. A while back, Google brought these two teams together, merging the dreamers and the builders. This unified team is called Google DeepMind, and their very first and most significant project was Gemini. So when you hear Gemini DeepMind, you're really talking about a single unified effort to create the most advanced AI in the world. And what makes Gemini so special is its foundation, multimodality. Unlike previous AI models that were trained on one thing, like just text or just images, Gemini was built from the ground up to understand everything at once. It's like a child learning to speak, see, and hear simultaneously. It can take in text, images, video, and audio and reason about them together. Imagine showing it a picture of a soccer game and asking it to write a short story about the player with the red jersey. It doesn't just describe the photo, it understands the context of a game and can create a compelling narrative. This is the core of Gemini's power. Gemini isn't a one-size-fits-all model. It comes in different versions, each designed for a specific purpose. First, there's Gemini Nano. This is the smallest, most efficient version. It's designed to run directly on devices like your smartphone. That's what powers features like the recorder on your Pixel phone, which can instantly summarize your conversations, or the AI that can help you draft a text message with just a few words. The beauty of Nano is that it works offline, making these smart features private and fast. Next up, we have Gemini Pro. This is the workhorse. Gemini Pro is what you'll interact with when you use Gemini's chatbot today. It's the version that excels at complex tasks, drafting long emails, generating code, or analyzing large documents. It's the most powerful thinking model for everyday and professional use. And then there's Gemini Ultra, the most advanced version. Ultra is for the most challenging tasks, like complex scientific research or multi-stage creative projects. It's also where you find breakthrough features like Deep Think mode, which we'll discuss in a moment. This is where Google DeepMind's original research truly shines. Gemini Pro's Deep Think mode is a game changer. It's a new reasoning system inspired by reinforcement learning, the same technology that allowed AlphaGo to learn and master the game of Go. Instead of just giving a single answer, DeepThink can consider multiple hypotheses and solutions at the same time, much like a human does. It's an internal process where the AI essentially asks itself, what if I tried this approach or this one, and then evaluates the best path forward. This allows Gemini to solve incredibly complex problems that require a level of creativity and strategic planning. For example, it could develop the code for a simple video game from a single sentence of a prompt. Or it could help a chemist brainstorm new molecular structures. It's the most powerful example yet of an AI that doesn't just retrieve information, but can actually reason and create in a human-like way. So, what does this mean for us? Gemini is already being used in a variety of industries. In education, it can act as a personal tutor. In medicine, it can help researchers analyze complex biological data. For developers, Gemini Code Assist can suggest entire blocks of code, dramatically speeding up the development process. But the arrival of something this powerful also brings up important questions: ethics, safety, and societal impact. Google DeepMind is approaching this with a framework of responsible AI development. This includes building safeguards against creating harmful content, ensuring privacy, and addressing potential biases in the data it was trained on. However, the conversation is far from over. As Gemini automates more tasks, it will inevitably change our jobs and our economy. Tasks that were once done by freelancers like writing and image generation may shift, but it also creates new opportunities. It gives us a new set of tools to be more creative, more productive, and to solve problems that were once impossible. The real skill of the future may be learning how to collaborate with AI. We've moved beyond the era of simple AI chatbots. With Google Gemini DeepMind, we're seeing the first tangible steps toward a truly general AI, an intelligence that can reason, learn, and create. It's a technology built on decades of pioneering research from the dreamers and the builders. It's a new chapter in the story of human and artificial intelligence, and we're just at the beginning. The tools are here, the potential is vast, and the conversation is just getting started. What do you think about the future of AI? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.